Starting around 02 November 2023, Star Atlas DAO certainly is exchanging at 12 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in very most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. Polis for the most part has a fundamentally complete market cap of $18,719,822, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $196,103 in a really significant manner. This really makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, in every practical sense, positioning at 586 in the cryptographic money market. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO sort of be extremely worth in 2023, or so they basically thought. Is Star Atlas DAO in all things considered, wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of significant manner? Will Polis cost for the most part outperform its record-breaking high in an unobtrusive manner? These basically are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023. As per the Star Atlas DAO estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost fundamentally is supposed to for the most part cross a normal value level of 12 cents, the normal extremely least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to generally be 12 cents in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Polis can for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest value level of 13 cents, which sort of is very critical. Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is generally anticipated to by and large reach at a really least worth of $0.096 in August 2023 in a for the most part huge manner. The Polis cost could generally arrive at a fundamentally most extreme worth of 11 cents, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO value expectation September 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost generally is supposed to basically reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023, while the exceptionally normal cost of Polis for the September for the most part remains around 11 cents. Star Atlas DAO value gauge October 2023, the in every practical sense. Normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, could in a real sense go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023, exhibiting that Star Atlas DAO value forecast September 2023, Star Atlas DAO cost in a real sense is supposed to in every practical sense reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023, while the kind of typical cost of Polis for the September for the most part remains around 11 cents. Star Atlas DAO value figure October 2023. The normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, could explicitly go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Polis could for the most part be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of 12 cents, with the by and large least expected cost of 11 cents in a quite huge manner. Polis value conjecture November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Star Atlas DAO sort of is supposed to especially arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of 11 cents, showing how in the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Star Atlas DAO especially be somewhat worth in 2023, truly in spite of mainstream thinking? The Polis cost could explicitly arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of 12 cents, with the really normal cost around 12 cents, which especially is very critical. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is supposed to generally be at around a kind of least of 12 cents, or so they basically thought. Star Atlas DAO cost can fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense limit of 13 cents, with the essentially normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars in a really significant way. Star Atlas DAO genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Star Atlas DAO's cost in a real sense has shown a fundamentally decent increment of 2.58% in the absolute most recent 24 hours, which really is very critical. Star Atlas DAO especially is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, so Polis value gauge November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Star Atlas DAO essentially is supposed to by and large arrive at an especially least value worth of 11 cents. Showing how on the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO for the most part be certainly worth in 2023 in an extremely huge manner. The policy most certainly is down to nearly 2.19% in the sort of most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for especially past couple of days. The coin could sort of have kind of solid essentials yet. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in for the most part present moment, exhibiting how in every practical sense. Is Star Atlas DAO a very wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of policy generally diminished by 51.641%, killing an incredible fundamentally normal amount of 13 cents from its certainly current worth. So Star Atlas DAO cost can explicitly arrive at a by and large limit of 13 cents, with the truly normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be an essentially decent in a real sense, purchase a potential open door for truly speedy venture, which for the most part is very huge. Star Atlas DAO value figure 2023 facts. What will generally be Star Atlas DAO's sort of worth in 2023, which basically is very huge. The policy cost explicitly is gauged to especially arrive at a greatest degree of 13 cents, with kind of least cost of 12 cents toward the finish of 2023, which sort of is genuinely huge. Star's Atlas DAO generally have a future in an unpretentious manner. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense has a remarkable most certainly potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels, showing the way that Star Atlas DAO cost can fundamentally arrive at a by and large limit of 13 cents, with the essentially normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, which in a real sense is very huge. It generally is gauged that policy will increment in esteem in a really significant way. As per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business experts, Star Atlas DAO can in a real sense hit the the most exorbitant cost of $0.024 till 2030. Showing the way that the policy cost could basically arrive at an essentially greatest cost of 12 cents, with the typical cost around 12 cents in a very significant manner. Is Star Atlas DAO pretty worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Star Atlas DAO's incentive in every way that really matters is supposed to explicitly keep on extending, as lack will in general basically support cost rise, showing how Star Atlas DAO policy value expectation 2023 as per the Star Atlas DAO gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the policy cost for the most part is supposed to in every practical sense cross a normal value level of 12 cents, the normal sort of least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the extremely current year, ought to by and large be 12 cents.